Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the paint has set, but not. If tape starts to tear or adhesive clings, warm it with a hair dryer on low. Heat softens the glue, making removal smoother. You should move the dryer continuously and test a small strip. If it loosens, continue. For short, stubborn sections, use needle nose pliers or your thumb and forefinger to pull tight strips without stretching. Once in a while, rescore any paint bridging the tape to prevent lifting. Make sure to keep the angle shallow. This preserves the paint's edge and finish and fix touch-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.